Hello, my loves. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Lovelies, summer is not over, it is just beginning. If you like what you see, stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get these done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. All right, sweeties, we're going to get right into it. Make sure you file your nails down before you start doing your twist because you don't want your nails snagging, okay? All right, I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. It is 132, the color. I'm getting a fuchsia kind of color for me. That's the color I'm getting at, but I really like it, and it says summers to me, you know, just summer. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below, my loves. You guys, make sure your hair is washed, conditioned, and blow dried when doing these. We are going to make sure that our hair is nicely greased and oiled, you know, to the T when putting up twist or braids. You know, you want your hair to be nicely conditioned because it's going to be locked in. You see that gray hair? Yeah, that's nice. Okay, you guys, when you are starting this, make sure you are parting precisely, and then please get a mirror. It will help you. A mirror helps me out a lot. I need it just to look at the back of my head, so please get a mirror for help. Okay, when starting these off, we're going to start as if we were doing a box braid. We're going to use our natural hair as the third leg, and we're just going to braid down like we're braiding a regular box braid. I kind of did it differently for this braid twist, but the next one I'll show you how I'm going to split. So using my natural hair right there, we're supposed to split that into half, giving your natural hair on one side of each piece, and then we're going to twist. The thing is about this hairpin, though it's the color it is, we're going to tuck our natural hair into this hair to try to hide as much black as possible, but not a lot. I like the ombre of it. So just be, go real easy on how you twist. Don't over twist and don't under twist. Take your time, sweethearts. Here I'm showing you exactly how to twist your Senegalese. You're twisting each twist and then you're twisting them together, making sure they're uniform, making sure they're nice and tight, and making sure they're not going to come apart. That is the secret of a Senegalese, is by twisting each twist and then twisting them together. As far as tying the ends, I'm just going to tie a little bitty knot right there at the bottom, and then I'm going to burn just a tiny bit. My hair is far away from it. I don't want to use glue, you know, I don't want that in my hair. So just burning it is best for me. Sweethearts, here I am again showing you how to cover up or how to hide your hair into the natural hair. It's called tucking. So tuck your hair in there and make sure you're adding your shine and jam just so it can be nice and neat, and it'll help with the flyaways. All right, lovelies, I'm gonna get to work and I'll be right back. All right, sweethearts. So you know I like to always put edge gel around my edges in the front of my head while I am twisting or braiding them. Why? Because I won't have to go back, and then it'll make it nice and neat. And I'm telling you, it looks more professional when you're doing it this way. So make sure you're putting your edge control around it just before you're about to start in the front. This is why I give you guys an overview of how I do my hair from back to middle, the top to sides, so your arms, so I can show you where my arms are when I'm twisting and braiding, because it could be difficult to some of you. You know, you don't know where your arms go, you don't know where your fingers are heading. So I'm glad to show you where your fingers are, where they need to be when you're twisting. So you see how I just split it, my natural hair, into half and then gave it to a piece. So now I am twisting each twist. You see? Make sure you use your clamps so your hair won't come out in the front. You know, if you're twisting, your hair will be really, really tight. So make sure you use those clamps. You guys can just twist down, but make sure you're twisting each twist and twisting them a little tight, because at the end, you're going to stop the twist from unraveling, and then they're going to come out looking like this. You guys, this was a fun hairstyle. It didn't take that long at all, depending on your situation. You have kids, dogs, if you have to run errands. But you guys, it doesn't take that long at all. To me, I think twisting is easier or faster than braiding, just my opinion. But you guys, look how nice and neat these came out. Look how they're doing. They're so well. I really like these. I like the length. It's just perfect for the summer. And look at that, just like that, you guys, done. When I say neat, these are neat. You don't see any flyaways already, and I haven't even put anything on it. Finito, you guys. I love this hairstyle. This was easy. This was simple. You guys, again, don't forget to cut your ends. Make sure you're cutting all that excess hair off. We are going to be dipping them. We're going to be giving them a little curl, so use whichever kind of perm rod you have or rollers that you have. Make sure you're combing it out, and we're going to grab 3 to 4 pieces to each curl, you guys, so so they can, you know, can have a more defined twist, a defined curl. When dipping your hair, you make sure you be careful, be cautious. This water is hot. If you would like, ask someone to help you dip. You guys, you do not want to burn yourself. Believe me, I have. So just please take your time when dipping. So you guys, make sure you're cutting all that excess hair out of there. You guys, this turned out so well. I'm really in awe of how it came out and how neat this is. I love it. Okay, sweethearts, we're going to spray some braid spray around our hair just to take the tension off your hair, the tightness off. You know, it's not going to ravel it or anything like that, but just it's going to make your scalp feel good, okay? So we're going to go in with our mousse. You guys, it's kind of, yeah, it's time to get some more. I'm running out of it, but this is the best. I love this mousse. So put this on over your entire head, from scalp all the way to your ends, and just rub it in there, get it in there. And this definitely helps with the flyaways, and it makes it, again, look nice and neat. These products do matter, you guys. I also went the extra mile and grabbed a blow dryer just to speed up the dry, and then it's sticking, meaning it's staying and it's looking neat, you guys. Loving it. Lovelies, these are the finished results. I love it. I think it looks cute. I love trying new colors with my beautiful chocolate skin. You guys, do the same. Check different colors out. This is a beautiful color. I really like this. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I love you. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. See you next time.